Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hi everybody, let's take a look again what is going on currently on the euro currency. Well, yesterday we have discussed this situation on the daily time frame, and particularly this pattern that could be formed here. So you can see market has closed below this red line, and that has given us the confirmed stop grabber pattern. This is the way of stop grabber that I like to, since it supports the previous move of the market. So I prefer that stop grabber appears on the retracement from that swing in the favor of the continuation to the downside. The target of the stop grabber pattern, if it will work, will be the taking out of that loss, the minimum target. The market should clear out this loss. That's why it calls as a stop grabber, since the main target of this pattern is the stops that has been placed just below the previous swing. It's right here. But the trickiness of this current situation, in the moment that below this level until the next target of the butterfly is around 120, there is no significant supports on the market. That's why if market will take out these stops, they will add fuel to the downward move when they start to trigger, and stop will start to sell, add to the short positions. This could lead to some acceleration of the market, and with the lack of any support below this low, market could easily reach 120 area. So the failure point of this pattern is its top. If market will take out the stop of the stop grabber, then probably it will fail. Currently on the daily time frame we see the price consolidation with the long tails to the downside in the shape of the bearish flag, something like we have seen during the previous couple of weeks on weekly chart of the euro. So that is also the bearish pattern, and usually it breaks out to the downside, but we can't say definitely until it will happen. So in general, currently on the daily time frame we have the bearish price action, bearish confirmed trend, since this candle hasn't closed yet. So we have confirmed bearish trend and unconfirmed bullish trend, since market now stands above this red line that by the MACD indicator means that unconfirmed MACD shows the bullish trend, since current trading session hasn't closed yet. And we have the bearish flag and bearish stop grabber pattern. So in general, probably we have the nice bearish context on the market, and we could stick particularly with this pattern currently. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Currently trend is also bearish on the 4-hour time frame, and here we will be interesting with a couple of points. Yesterday, as you remember, we said that potentially market could form some kind of the continuation pattern a bit further. For instance, this could be the butterfly sell. The 127 extension of the butterfly sell stands precisely in an area that we have specified and that we have discussed millions of times. It's between weekly period resistance 123.30 and 38 resistance on the daily time frame is 123.65. Also in this area stands the 1618 extension from that pattern, A, B, C bottom. The 100% extension of that pattern, A, B, C bottom, D. Also here is 1618 extension of that retracement. Why these points that I have marked with these red circles are important for us? This circle is important since this is the failure point of the butterfly. So if market will take out this low of this pattern, this will lead to the failure point of the butterfly. This point is important since this is the high of the daily stop grabber pattern, and if market will take this point, then the stop grabber will fail. Now what we have on the market, this is the same broadening consolidation, and take a look at this candle. That also could be the bearish stop grabber pattern. So you can see that price has penetrated this red line to the upside and shifting trend to the bullish side, but later now it stands below it. So if market will close in that way, this will be another bearish stop grabber, and the minimum target of this pattern will be this lows. So that is very interesting and tricky situation on the euro currency, although it hasn't changed much our major analysis, since we said that this area is significant. So despite how market will behave, either it will reach this area and then start move to the downside, or it will do that and start move to the downside. In any way, that our overall context is bearish. So the completement point of this butterfly, and if market will proceed higher, just give us the potential to enter on the short side of the market with the better price, or add to our small position that we should open right here yesterday. Since we have discussed this, it probably makes sense since market is very unpredictable and unstable inside of this broadening consolidation. It probably makes sense to enter with a small lot inside of it. So that is another chance that when you can do that. If market will continue move to the upside, you could add more major part of your position to your previously open lot right here, and then trade on the bear side of the market. So on the hourly time frame, what do we see? Right at top of the current stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame, we see nice bearish engulfing. Also take a look, the new trend line has started to form right here. So you can see some kind of new resistance starting to appear with these new tops. So some kind of the triangle pattern is forming right now. Not particularly the triangle, but this is some kind of the narrowing price action. So that's been said. In general, despite the fact how market will behave with this tricky situation on the 4-hour time frame chart, it doesn't change our overall view on the market. The completement of the butterfly will just give us the better point to enter, and where we add to our position on the better price. If this will not happen and this stop grabber will work, market will erase this butterfly. That will also be in our favor, since we should have already the short position somewhere in this area. The next target, as we said, is around 120. So that is our current view on the market. Keep an eye on this pattern, keep an eye on the stop grabbers that is forming currently on the 4-hour time frame, and the behavior of the market with the stop grabber on the daily time frame, since they will be significant, I suppose, in the nearest trading sessions. Keep an eye on these levels that we have specified and catch the moment to enter on the short side of the market, because we could stand at the eve of the significant move to the downside. Well, that's all for today. Take the reasonable risk and be careful.